So I had to go pull out my press-on nail little graveyard. Luckily, I don't know why I saved these when I took them off, but good thing I did. Okay, what had happened was, I was in the drive-thru. I threw something away in the drive-thru trash. My nail popped off inside the trash and fell down in there. I was like, oh my god. So I'm gonna take this set off soon, but I didn't want to walk around throughout the day with the nail missing, so I decided to pull out my graveyard of glue-on nails and see if I can find something to match and just glue that on and go about my day, and then I'll take them off later. So I pulled these out. I'm gonna go ahead and look through them and see if I can find one that would match and fix this nail. I just figured I would share this because it's kind of a good idea to save your press-on nails and your glue-on nails in case they're still in good shape. You can always reuse them. So that's kind of one reason I did it, and this was like the perfect reason for me to go ahead and pull them out. So I'm trying to find one that would match to what I'm already wearing, which is the bright pink sparkly nail. So I'm gonna have to go through them and see if I can find one that will match up with what I'm already wearing and won't look too, out of place. So yeah, I guess I'm truly recycling nails now at this point. Anywho, I liked this one, but it was too small. It would not fit the finger that I needed it to go on, my ring finger. So this was the closest that I can get. So I chose this one. And it looks okay. No one's going to be looking that hard. I'm only going to have it on for like a day, maybe two. So, yep, that's it. Bye.